Title is Stem and Leaf Diagrams, and we're going to be working out the range and mean from stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, so again, we can use stem and leaf diagrams to find the mode, median, range and mean of a group of data. Now, for now, we're going to be focusing on the range and the mean. Okay, so what is the mean? Now, the mean is the total of the numbers divided by how many they are. Okay, so for example, if I had 4, 8, 5 and 3, okay, to work out the mean of these four numbers, all right, I would total them up first. So I'd add them all up. So 4 add 8 add 5 add 3, which would give me 20. Okay, then I would divide by how many they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 divided by 4 gives me 5. Therefore, the mean for this set of numbers is 5. Okay, next, what is the range? Now, the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. Okay, so biggest take away smallest. So if I was to work out the range for these same set of numbers here, okay, the highest number is 8, the lowest number is 3. So 8 take away 3, I get 5. So my range for them same four numbers, so them same set of four numbers, would be 5 as well. Okay, so I'm given a stem and leaf diagram which I need to use to find the range and mean. Okay, so let's start with the range. Okay, again, range is the difference between the highest and smallest values. Okay, so biggest take away smallest. Now I can see from the stem and leaf diagram that my biggest number is over here, which if I read it correctly is 58, okay, and my smallest number is over here, which again, if I read correctly, is 10. So 58 take away 10 will give me my range. So my range for this stem and leaf diagram is 48. Okay, next I need to work out my mean. Now, it's very important that we read off the stem and leaf diagram correctly. Okay, to work out the mean, I need to total up all my values and then divide by how many they are. Okay, so I can count how many they are now. I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 values. Okay, so there are 19 values in total. All right, that's how many values I have. Now I need to total up all of these values. Okay, so it's important to read off properly. This value over here is 10. So I will do 10 add 13 add 16 add 21 and so on. I will read these values of this stem and leaf diagram correctly. Okay, once I have added up all of the values, okay, so this one's 41, 41, 45. I've added them all up. I'm using a calculator. I can use a calculator for this question. Okay, once I've added all of them up, I know I need to divide that value by 19 because there's 19 in total. Okay, remember, mean is the total of the numbers divided by how many they are. So I've added all of these to get my total of the numbers, and I'm dividing by how many they are, which is 19. Okay, so my mean, the sum of all the data divided by the number of pieces of data, is 686 divided by 19, which equals 36.1. So 686 divided by 19 equals 36.1. Again, you will use a calculator for this. I have written this out again because I've written above the answer over there. Okay, so 686, after adding all these values up, I get 686. Then I divide by how many they are, which is 19, and I get 36. Okay, now we need to draw the stem and leaf diagram before we can work out the range and the mean. Okay, so back to what we were doing before. To draw a stem and leaf diagram, I do my rough version first. Okay, So I'll draw out an empty stem and leaf diagram. I decide what my stems are. So I need my smallest and my largest numbers. So my smallest number is 4, therefore my stem is 0. My largest number is 26, so my stem is 2, and my missing stem is 1. Okay, I'm now going to put these numbers in no specific order. I'm just going to follow the number as they are in the list. So I'll start with 15. I'll put a 5 where there's 1 stem. 7 will go where there's 0 stems. 16 will have 1 stem. 26 will have 2 stem. Okay, and so on. Just keep going and filling them in. Cross them out as you're doing it. Okay, to make sure you don't make any mistakes and you don't miss out any numbers. Okay, so 17 would go there, 22 would go there, 4 would go there, 20 would go there, 18 would go where there's 1 stem, 12 would also go where there's 1 stem, and last number, 25. Okay, extend the diagram if you need to fit all the numbers in. Now, we have used all the information that was given to us. Okay, we've got that into our stem and leaf diagram, but we have not ordered our stem and leaf diagram. Okay, remember, stem and leaves need to be in order. Okay, so I'm going to draw out another stem and leaf diagram. The stems remain the same, so 0, 1 and 2. Okay, I'm just going to put them in order. So for 0 I will have 4, 7 and 9. For 1 I will have 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and for 2 I will have 0, 1, 2, 5, 5, 6. Again, extend the diagram if you need to. Now, I have ordered my stem and leaf diagram, so I no longer need the rough one that I made at the start. I have got the one that I need. I can now work out the range and mean. So we'll start with the range. Okay, range is your biggest number, take away your smallest number. So my biggest number is over here. Again, read it carefully. This number is not 6, it is 26. Okay, and my smallest number is 4. So 26, take away 4, my answer 22. So the range for this stem and leaf diagram is 22. Now, mean. Okay, this is where mistakes get made. Some of you will start adding 4, add 7, add 9, which is fine for this question, but then you would add 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. You would forget how to read off a stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so let's do the first few addition that we need to do. So I've got 4, so 4, add 7, add 9. Okay, those numbers are the same because they have 0 stems. Okay, so 4 add 7 add 9, but this number here is not 2, it is 12. Okay, the next number is 15. All right, and so on. I add up all. Okay, I add up all these numbers correctly, reading them off the stem and leaf diagram. I will be using a calculator as I am doing this. Okay, so once I've added up all of them numbers using a calculator, I get 255. Okay, so I've added all the numbers up and I've got 255. I then need to divide by how many they are. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I need to divide 255 by 15. Again, using a calculator, my answer is 17. So the mean for this stem and leaf diagram is 17. Okay, I now want you to have a go at these questions on your own. Once you are done, take a picture and upload it onto ClassCharts. Okay, you may rewind this video to help you if you get stuck.